Holding a Guinness record is not any small feat, but this place surely does. And why not? It is for none other than the great Jatayu, a demigod in the Hindu epic Ramayana who has the form of vulture. Ben the Miles brings to you Jatayu Earth Center, Kerala. Beneath the vast blue sky, on a rugged rocky hillock, he fell, bruised, battered and broken, looking up to the heaven in despair, praying for his Lord's arrival. His claws clutched tight in great pain, his beak wide open in a desperate yell, aching from agony yet brave. Right there where he fell, we honor the tale of his valor with the world's largest bird sculpture. If you enjoy discovering such amazing places, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and continue watching more.